Okay, so here we have our Thermador, a little bit older model, say late 90s, maybe early 2000s, and the electronic system went down where nothing's pushing. So I did the usual, check the breaker, make sure that was on, make sure there's power, so that's good. So I ended up just taking off these 4 screws from the bottom and opening it up, and I found a soldering connection, which I'll show you in a second, that was taken apart or fallen off. So I grabbed my tool, I got my soldering gun, flashlight so I could see the screws were right there, screwdriver, solder paste, and solder gun, and soldering wire, sorry. So if I open this, a little bit, like I said, I unscrewed the 4 screws down here. This just pops right off, and then it's able to set it, wedge it a little bit so I could work. See if I can get that back. Sure that's nice and sturdy there. So you can see right here, this comes out, plugs into here. It's easy. However, these 4 prongs right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, were not making contact when I pushed it in. Like that. They're actually not soldered, so I'm going to attempt to go ahead and solder those and see if it works. So I just put the soldering flux paste right there on these joints, heating up the solder iron. Not really good at this, so let's see what happens here. Heating this up. I got that. Change hands here. Okay. Check that. I think that looks pretty good, guys. Okay, I think I'm pretty happy with that. Let's give it a whirl here. I'm gonna plug this in. And that should all light up, hopefully, huh? Okay.
Okay, nothing.
Getting some blinking there.
Yeah, but nothing's.
Just test the. All right. I think we got it. I'm getting all buttons here.
Yep.
Looks good. Now all I'm gonna do, without pulling it up again, gotta push these wires through. Pretty stoked right now, as you can imagine. This actually worked. Put that in. And we got it. So I'm just gonna put these 4 screws back and we're good to go. Thanks for watching.